Hello everyone, in this video I'll explain the step-by-step procedure on how to create a System Properties module for custom applications. Create a System Properties category by clicking on the All menu. Type sys_properties_category.list in the navigation field. Click on New. Enter a meaningful name. Enter the description in the What You See What You Get editor and save the System Properties category. You can create new properties or add existing properties to the System Properties category. Once all the properties are added, click on the All menu and navigate to Modules under the System Definition Application menu. Click on New and give a title to the Properties module. Select the application menu under which the module has to appear and specify the order. Go to Link Type and select Link Type as URL from Arguments. In the Arguments field, enter system_properties_ui.do, sysbarm_title equals. Enter the name to display on the banner. And sysbarm_category equals name of the System Properties category that was created earlier. Click on Submit and reload the page to see the Properties module. If you want more helpful videos like this, please let us know in the comments section. Thank you for watching.